In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ads in Quora. We'll walk through the full process of creating and launching a Quora ad campaign, from opening the ad platform to submitting your ad for review. If you're new to Quora ads, don't worry. This setup is fairly straightforward once you know where each setting lives. To begin, open Quora and click your profile in the upper right corner. From that menu, select Ads Manager. This is where you'll create, manage, and monitor your campaigns. Once you're inside Ads Manager, click New Campaign to start building your ad. First, enter a campaign name. Choose something clear and recognizable so it's easy to identify later, especially if you plan to run multiple campaigns. Next, choose your campaign objective. This part matters because it tells Quora what result you want, such as traffic, conversions, or another marketing goal. After that, set the campaign budget. You'll then type in your daily maximum budget, which helps control your spending and keeps the campaign within your preferred limit. If needed, you can also add a campaign schedule. This is optional, but it's useful if you want your ads to start or end on specific dates. When that section is complete, click Continue. Now, you'll move into audience targeting. Start by choosing the locations where you want your ads to appear. Then choose the gender you want to target, if that applies to your offer. Next, select your target audience and set your targeted topics. This is one of the most important sections because Quora is interest-driven, so choosing relevant audiences and topics can make a big difference in ad performance. Once your targeting is in place, click Set a Bid and choose your bid and optimization preferences. Then select your ad delivery option. These settings affect how your budget is spent and how aggressively Quora delivers your ads. After that, click Continue. Next comes the ad creative itself. Set the media type for your ad, then enter a headline. Keep it concise and relevant to the audience you're targeting. After that, enter the body text for your ad, making sure the message is clear and aligned with your offer. Upload an image for the ad, then upload your business logo. Finally, type in your landing page URL, making sure it leads to the correct page. When everything looks good, click Continue. At the final stage, add a payment method. Then preview your ad so you can check how it will appear to users. Review your campaign settings carefully, including targeting, budget, creative, and destination URL. Once everything is confirmed, click Launch Campaign to submit your ad for review. And that's how to use ads in Quora.